Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to access your Hotmail account. Whether you have used the service for years or are just starting out, these simple steps will make the login process effortless. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Outlook website. Since Hotmail has transitioned to the Outlook platform, this is where you will need to go. You can simply search for Microsoft Outlook Login or navigate directly to the site. Once the home page appears, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner and click it. This will initiate the login process. Please wait a moment for the page to load, especially if you are using a specific device for the first time. Next, you will be prompted to enter your email address. Type your full Hotmail address into the box provided. It is important to double-check your spelling here to ensure there are no mistakes, as it is easy to miss a character when typing quickly. Once you have entered the address, click Next to proceed. Now, you will need to provide your password. Carefully type it into the password field. If you are using a private device, you might want to use the Show Password option to confirm you have entered it correctly, which is very useful for complex passwords. After you have typed it in, click the Sign In button. The system will then verify your credentials, so give it a moment to complete this step. Once you have signed in, you might see a prompt asking if you would like to stay logged in. If you are using your personal computer, clicking Yes can save you time later by remembering your details. However, if you are on a public or shared machine, it is best to click No to maintain your account's security. With that, you are all set and have successfully accessed your Hotmail account. You now have full access to your inbox and can begin reading or sending emails as needed. Just remember to log out when you are finished if you are on a shared computer to protect your personal data. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and easy to follow. You are welcome to return to this video whenever you need a quick refresher. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.